In this video, I'm gonna show you how to stream to Kick on PC using Streamlabs, but before that, please do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. Open up your Streamlabs. You're gonna come to where it says settings on the bottom left hand side. So come to the left hand side, select video, and your base canvas should be 1920 by 1080. Your output scale should be 1920 by 1080 as well, and then your common FPS value should be at 60. This is gonna give you the best looking stream on Kick. Go to where it says stream, come where it says stream type. You'll collect custom streaming server, and then it's gonna ask you for the URL and stream key. So to be able to do that, we're gonna need to come to kick.com, come to your little profile icon. On the right hand side, you're gonna select settings, and on the left hand side, you're gonna select stream key. Go ahead and copy your stream URL. Come back to Streamlabs, go to setting, go to stream, and paste the URL to where it says URL. Come back here to Kick, copy stream key, come back to Streamlabs and paste that in the stream key and select done. Come to output. You're gonna come to output mode, select advanced, and the very important thing is to focus on CBR. Select keyframe interval to profile high, and then for your encoder, you want to select your hardware encoder of X264, hit done. Now go ahead and hit go live. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!